I do everything in Google Sheets, even mocking up Facebook ads. I made this Facebook mock-up generator, and I wanted to share it with you because I think it adds, there's a couple of things that it does that if you're a beginner, this is going to be really cool. If you're intermediate, maybe you didn't know a little bit about this. I wanted to share with you a few things that makes it easy to like write some Facebook ads and generate sort of a mock-up of it, right? This makes it look like a Facebook ad. If we zoom out a little bit, you can see the whole thing. There is a headline and description down here I can add, but I want to focus up here on this image and the primary text. So a couple things. First off, I really just did 600 pixels wide of the C column and the 4 row here. And to get the image, I used, let's zoom in a little bit so you can see this image. And it goes to A5. Why is that? Well, in A5 is a URL. So I posted this image on Twitter first, and then I just grabbed the image URL. You can host this image anywhere you want online. You can also insert an image into the cell if you wish. I used a square image, and then I just used the image URL to grab it. All right, that's the image. That's probably like the coolest thing, to be honest. Next, I did a character count because Facebook recommends 125 characters for the primary text. So I wanted to know what I was at as I was writing this. It's probably odd to write things in Google Sheets, right? But I do everything in Google Sheets, and I don't really want to know. I do want to know how many characters I have. I don't want to like find out later. I want to see right away, hit enter, see the character count. I don't want to have to copy paste it into a character counter or like highlight it and do on Google Docs like a character count menu option, right? I just want to hit enter and see the character count. So what I did is I used the formula called len, L-E-N. This is short for length. That's why it's so weird. It's not like a lens thing. It's short for length. What's the length of this cell? And length is the number of characters. So if I write out some more interesting stuff, I hit enter, and right there is the character. I did that as well on the headline and the description. And you can get this sheet if you go to the URL here, and I'll put the URL in the description as well. You can grab this Facebook ad mockup generator. And I just thought that would be really cool for you to see the character count, how I did it. I just did actually, I'll show you how I right click here, resize column, and I just typed in 600 there. And I made sure that the row was also resized to 600. And see, this is pixels. So 600 by 600, it seems like is the Facebook minimum pixel count. You can set your images however you want, right? However many pixels. And Google Sheets allows you to do that. Set exact pixels. And then the image, just using the image formula here again. You can also insert an image in cell. And you can mock up your Facebook ads there. So thought that would be pretty cool. Hope you enjoy this little trick. Bye.